This is the top of the line, Monarch Ghia. By every measure, an elegant automobile. A classic grille. Distinctive paint stripes encompass the hood, run the length of the body, and add a final touch of elegance to the deck lid.
Odense grain vinyl roof, center pillar, and color-keyed padded body side molding. Luxury wheel covers and white sidewall steel-belted radial-ply tires are standard on the Ghia.
And inside, from the moment you open the door, you know that this is something very special. Garnish molding of burled wood tone applique. Large, heavily padded armrests. Luxurious carpeting. In addition to the super soft vinyl, which is Ghia's standard interior trim, the Ghia is also available with this optional luxury cloth material. This cloth is durable, tightly knitted 100% nylon, which has both the look and the feel of cashmere. The look of luxury is further enhanced by the floating pillow design of the seat cushion and seat back, and by the lavish depth of the tufting. The seat backs complement this look of elegance with seat back pockets and assist straps that are at the same time both European in flair and functional in design. And at floor level, bright pedal trim and thick cut pile carpet. Ghia's beautiful instrument panel includes a fine digital clock. Typical of Monarch's quality finish is this carpeted luggage compartment floor and spare tire cover. But Monarch's attention to detail is not restricted to the Ghia series alone. Far from it.
Here is the base Mercury Monarch 4-door. A new approach to precision and elegance in an American-built automobile. A car whose style and size is so reminiscent of some of Europe's most expensive cars, yet priced most probably within your reach. A car new in execution. Cleanly and tastefully stated.
Wherever you look, precision engineering and quality. On four-door models, stainless steel door frame moldings are mitered and have the look of precision craftsmanship. Bright metal window frames are standard. Monarch's look of precision and luxury extends to this handsome lower back panel applique and to the European-style tricolor tail lamps. Here at the side, you can see the standard upper accent molding, bright metal rocker panel, and wide wheel lip moldings. Deluxe wheel covers are also standard. Inside, there's more quality and precision. Door trim panels are a carefully crafted combination of supple vinyl and harmonizing carpet. The vinyl seats are deep, comfortable, and inviting.
These carefully designed seats support you like fine furniture.
And like fine European automobiles, both front seats recline. Easy-to-read instruments are surrounded by burled walnut wood tone applique. while the warm look of walnut is repeated and reinforced in the classic two-spoke steering wheel. Over here, a spacious locking glove box. And remember, this is the standard Monarch interior. It's an exciting car, but what you've seen so far is just the beginning of the Monarch story. Equal to the quality you can see and touch in Monarch is its level of excellence under the skin. Take its unit body construction. This platform gives it structural strength with light weight. The unit body is then solidly welded to the platform. Because this body structure is framed on the assembly line in a precision welding fixture, it lends itself to precise door, hood, and deck alignment.
Thousands of welds fuse Monarch's body into a protective cocoon of steel for a strong, quiet car.
Then, to help ward off rust, critical underbody parts are zinc-coated, and 13 pounds of primer and enamel are applied. During this painting process, a hot melt insulation is added to specific floor pan areas.
This mastic melts and flows into hard-to-reach nooks and crannies. And that is just one of 13 areas of sound insulation used in this car.
The glass area is big and flat, so blind spots are minimized. Monarch's rear doors were designed to make it easy to get into and out of the car. This was accomplished through the use of special canted hinge construction that allows a greater swing away from the door opening.
Manual front disc brakes are standard on the Monarch for smooth, sure stops. And for operating economy, the car weighs substantially less than most standard-size cars. And you have a choice of either 6- or 8-cylinder engines to suit your individual driving preferences. Ask your salesman for details about engines and transmissions.
Mercury Monarch and Mercury Monarch Gia. You've seen these two fine cars in their four-door versions. Now let's talk about two doors.
Mercury Monarch in the spirited two-door version.
In keeping with Monarch's image of elegance, opera windows are standard on two-door models. Mercury Monarch Gia, two-door. Exquisitely proportioned. Elegantly appointed. automobile conceived to bring new measures of excellence to thousands of Americans. Rear seat passengers can get in and out of the car with surprising ease and convenience.
Monarch has been engineered with luxuries and options to help satisfy your every wish and need. If you believe genuine leather is the ultimate upholstery material, here's a trim option with seating surfaces of ultra-soft leather. It's also available in rich-looking tan and silver blue. Other Monarch options you'll want to consider include power windows, power steering, power front disc brakes, and a complete selection of radios from AM to AM/FM stereo with tape player, air conditioning, and a host of other tempting options.
Mercury Monarch, a car with an outstanding level of luxury, plus the size, the style, the appointments, and the precision engineering so much like some of Europe's most expensive cars.
Monarch. Monarch Gia. Why don't you take a demonstration drive right now before you leave our dealership?